Protection that lasts all day. Use Smooth Diamond Luxurious Sunscreen.
Smooth Diamond Half-Cast Extra Whitening Gel clears pimples, removes dark spots, tightens pores. Be smooth, be diamond.
Protection that lasts all day. Use Smooth Diamond Luxurious Sunscreen.
AI has come to stay. AI is doing a whole lot of wonderful works for a whole lot of people, okay? Especially generative AI, which is all about to generate. What is all about to generate? AI is quickly becoming a standard tool in every company's toolkit, navigating the emergence in the workplace, similar to driving down the street, just as following the rules and can make you better and more effective in almost everything you're doing. If you're a writer, you write better. If you're a musician, you write more amazing types of amazing songs. The lyrics will be wonderful. If you're a software developer, your codes will be so clean. There wouldn't be much bugs. Even if there is bugs, you'll be able to detect where the bugs are coming from. This is all what generative AI does. If you're a builder, you'll be able to generate the kind of building you want to do, or even get an insight, or even make a research of which one is better and which one is not better. You'll be able to discuss with your client, this is what you are having in mind, this is what we're having in mind. If you're a medical personnel, generative AI is all out to help you with millions of data that is behind the back end. Okay, you can always generate the information you need. Musicians, medical personnel, everybody. Let's just start. The journey is just getting started. Let's start by examining what the terms of artificial intelligence really means. In this context, artificial intelligence means, in human context, it simply means to perform a cognitive task. Okay, to perform a cognitive task. A cognitive task can be a mental activity that it's all about thinking, understanding, learning, and remembering. All of this is what AI is doing for us today. It will be able to solve multiple problems that on a normal level you might not be able to do that within a single day, in such a way that most people have started agencies, writing agencies, uh, virtual assistant agencies, graphic design agencies, medical agencies, because of AI. What thousands of people would have done, 10 people can now do it today. 5 people can now do it today because they use AI, they use artificial intelligence, they use generative AI to help them work. Novel writers, they are all using generative AI, of course, to modify what they write. They are writing. It's not everybody that is using generative AI to write, but then it's helping a good number of people to bridge the gap between where they are and where they want to go for the next one. Okay, AI is capable of extending our cognitive abilities, helping us to make better decisions and solve problems faster. Okay, with that understanding, the term artificial intelligence refers to a computer program that can complete cognitive tasks typically associated with human intelligence. Okay, there are a whole lot of things that we can do using artificial intelligence. As soon as you discover what AI can do and its potential, you'll be able to use it to do a whole lot of things. AI isn't magic solution to every business. As with advanced tools, the key to use AI is to strengthen and for you to do a whole lot of other things. Okay, set of generative artificial intelligence is made up of to generate an image, to generate an audio, to generate a video, to generate a sound. Okay, so far you can and generate a text. Okay, each and every one of these stuffs we've just mentioned has to do with a generative artificial intelligence. And if you're able to work to be able to connect yourself in the line of what we just talked about, you'll be able to do a whole lot of things with this. You'll be able to achieve a whole lot. Mind you, artificial intelligence is not just artificial intelligence. There are systems powering it up from behind. There are systems powering it up from behind. Build uh, AI designers build machine learning tools for it to be able to use it to do this work. ML is a subset of AI focused on developing computer programs that can analyze data and make decisions or predictions. Machine learning is a specialized layer under the broader category of AI technology. It's often used by AI tools to make sense of data quickly and efficiently. AI designers build machine learning programs using training sets, which is a collection of data used to teach AI. So we know about is not didn't just come out; it was trained based on a particular set of data. If you want the AI to perform basically for hospital use, for primary health care, for mothers, for pregnant women, you train it using set of data that is alongside the medical field. If you want to train a data based on data analysis, to visualize data, to visualize businesses, to analyze trends, you train it based on data analysis. If you want to based on to be able to draw, to be able to design an image, you train it on that very data. Each and every one of these are very, very important. So basically, training set provide machine learning programs with examples of what to expect and how to respond appropriately. For example, consider a food distributor that uses an AI tool to sort and pack ripe apples in their factory. For this tool to work, an AI designer must first train a machine learning program to identify red ripe apples. If you don't train it to with a particular set of data set, it will not be able to learn properly. It will not be able to associate, understand what you're training it with. Okay, so if you train it with a particular set of knowledge, it will be able to comprehend and then give wonderful results. Having learned this, the machine learning tools are what is very much necessary to build. Machine learning programs are what is being necessary to build AI tools. Okay, build the AI tools for, like I mentioned earlier, for factory, for designers, for carpenters, for medical personnel, for teachers, a whole lot of people. Okay, these are what generative AI is all about. That's just what it's all about. This will unintentionally make AI less accurate at identifying the apples or identifying anything. What makes it less accurate is if there are biases. Generative AI does not like biases, does not like up and down information. It likes to get the information as it is, as it is. Generative AI works with data that it was trained on. It cannot tell you what will happen tomorrow or next tomorrow, but it can do that based on the data it was trained on. It cannot tell you a fresh thing that has never happened. uh, AI cannot tell you a fresh thing that has never happened. You can use machine learning programs to program when it's going to rain. Okay, to be able to use it to design a tool that has to do with when it's going to rain because it has always rained. You can use it to design a tool that will tell you when sunshine is going to come because sunshine has always come out. You can always use it to tell you when when dry season or wet season is going to come, when a woman can become pregnant, something like that. If she gets to if she's a married woman, if she gets to meet with her husband, she can help you to predict when a woman that is that can start seeing her menstrual period, something like that. It can help you to predict when someone that started school that was performing well, if they will graduate or not be able to graduate. Even medical tools can be used to do this, can be used to build apps, can help you to do a whole lot of things. So generative AI even can help you to write codes for people that are software programmers. So you can generate codes, can generate images, can generate soundtracks, can generate animation. So you can do a whole lot of things using generative AI. In our next video about generative AI, we'll be able to talk about things that you can use generative AI to do. The monetary aspect, how can you generate money? How can you be useful in your workplace? How can you do other things that normally you cannot do before now? That's what AI is here to do. AI is not here to replace you, rather it will replace those that are not ready to learn about AI. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.